Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you with another brand new video. Well, this is the remaining part of my day 5 EU motorbike trip. Me and Rizwan have just crossed the Italian border and we're coming down the mountain. The views are spectacular. It's amazing to have clouds covering everything else but the road. It really is magic. You can't obviously see what's on the left hand side, but the experience really is amazing. The scenes were so good, so good. I'm not sure if the camera is doing a lot of justice, and I just did not want to switch off my GoPro. Like I said, it really is magical to see. You know, the road is clear and the clouds seem to be just hovering past above us. And at the same time, you can see the clouds below us. Fantastic. There was actually quite a lot of road works happening on this road. We did see quite a lot of heavy machinery. I'm sure the when the clouds are not there, the scenes would be spectacular as well. But even with the clouds, it just made experience a lot different and nice. I absolutely loved this road actually. I mean, this road all the way to the accommodation tonight, it's just brilliant. So from the start of the trip, this was probably the best day we've had so far. There is just never a dull moment on this road. The views just keep opening up as we just go past another turn, and there's just umpteen amount of hairpins. We're just going to stop here for a quick photo shoot, really. It's just the views are just really amazing here. So from here onwards, we're just going down the mountain. GoPro allows you to actually record the videos with the GPS switched on. So when you do have that switched on, you get that facility to be able to edit the videos with the four kind of different kind of icons you see on the screen right now. So there's one on the left is the elevation changes. One on the right is obviously the map. Then on the bottom left is the speed up and down within this footage, and the right hand bottom right is obviously the gives you the directions north south and also the speed. And the other great advantage of this is having the GoPro GPS switched on is that once you've recorded your footage, you can take the micro memory card and put it in your phone, and once you put it in the phone, then you can see where exactly the footage was recorded with the map, that is, and then it's a great reminder of exactly where you are. Rizwan has just overtaken me. Looks like he's about to go for a bit of a blast. As we were coming down this mountain, at one point, we regrouped with the Mirza Saab, Dr. Saab and Arshad Saab, because the fog was really thick, and myself and Rizwan was at the front to give them, basically we switched on all of our lights, hazard lights and all the front lights and everything else to make it a little bit easy for everyone really. And I think that's where the extra lights on the bike are really useful. I mean, I've got 4 extra lights, and they have the white light and the yellow light, and it has been really useful in those sort of situations. I mean, during the day, what you see right on the screen now, you don't really need too many lights, but you can end up in situations very quickly where you've got to switch on your additional lights. We've also had one day where we arrived at the accommodation quite late, and even though you don't plan to travel at night, but sometimes things happen, and you've got to. Oh, I loved riding this road. We had a bunch of tunnels on this road, and a bit of rock and roll twists and turns. Very nice. Wow, lovely, lovely, lovely. think Raz is blasted miles ahead of me. He's been having real fun in these roads. I'm just trying to record pretty much everything coming down these mountains, because like I said, the views are really amazing, you know. And look, as the road is just you know, it gives you more and more. It just never stops. Just a brilliant ride. And pretty much all of the turns are just the right amount of curvature, and you can just plan your how you're going to exit the turn, you know, as pretty much as soon as you get into the turn, which is amazing. You know, you can have a real fun at a comfortable speed that's, you know, that you like. Oh, there he is. I finally caught up with him.
That was a mad road. Mad road.
Good fun, eh?
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna keep moving because the rain is not great, and I just hope the other guys are okay.
I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I've enjoyed coming down this mountain. We're about to arrive at the nightly accommodation. I'll see you in the next one.